Hi guys, this is Tasmia. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine. Firstly, I want to say that I love draping saris, especially the ones picked up from my mom's cupboard, I guess. So here I have draped the sari by giving it a double pallu look with a little twist. Teamed the sari with a matching salwar kameez of mine from my cupboard and use the same dupatta for a double pallu look. So if you want to get the look, just keep on watching. And if you find the video helpful, do hit the like button, share it among your friends. And please do subscribe to my channel. Now let's start. So here I've used a lightweight printed sari and an embroidered kurta which has its own heavy embroidered dupatta. So taking the non-pallu end, tie a knot at the topmost corner of the sari. Now this has to be tucked in on the mid of the waist, just below the navel. Oh yes, you have to use a matching colored petticoat, okay? Now because of the pandemic, I did not have a matching colored petticoat. I didn't even want to go purchase one. So I'm using whichever I have, okay? Also, before starting the sari drape, don't forget to wear your heels. Now coming back to the sari, tuck the sari around the waist by wrapping it around once. Now taking the pallu end of the sari, make the pleats on the pallu and wrapping it around once again from behind, place it on the left side of the shoulder in the front. Okay, so basically for this style, we will be doing a Siddha pallu, that is placing the pallu on the right side of the shoulder coming from behind. But right now, I will be placing it on the left side of the shoulder in the front. Now we are doing this step only to know how much fabric we require for the pleats on the waistline and how much is the length of the pallu we will need. Bring the sari from the shoulder by wrapping it around from behind to the front till the waist and pin it up. But here's the thing, I will be using a dupatta for a double pallu style, right? So here's the dupatta that I will be using. It's an embroidered dupatta that's matching my kurta. So first I will be pinning the dupatta on the center of the waist where the pleats are going to be tucked in. And once it's set, this is how the pallu with the dupatta is going to look like. Before making the pallu from the dupatta, we will be making pleats on the waist with the fabric of the sari that's hanging on the waist. Make the pleats, secure it with a safety pin and tuck it inside the waist so that it gets secure. once we have tucked in the pleats on the waist and arranged them so that the pleats fall one after another with like around 1 mm gap, we will be taking the pallu end of the sari and make the pleats and place it on the right side of the shoulder by bringing it from the back to the front. So here I have already pinned the dupatta on the waist in the front, so even the dupatta is hanging down. Now make the pleats on the pallu, place it on the right side of the shoulder by bringing it from the back to the front as a Seedha pallu. Now the sari pallu is ready. It's time for the second pallu. Take the dupatta that is hanging, which was pinned on the waist. Make sure that the dupatta goes behind the sari pallu. Bringing it from the back to the front, we will be placing it on the left side of the shoulder. Oops, since I had not pinned the pleats of the pallu on the right side of the shoulder, the pallu fell off. So I'll have to make the pleats again and place it on the right side of the shoulder. Here once again that I am making the pallu on the pleats, I did not forget to secure it with a safety pin. Guys, do not forget to secure your pleats with a safety pin. You do not need many, it's just one, but that is very necessary. Now since I'm styling this on a dress form, I did not pin the pallu on the kurta, but when I am doing it on myself, I will be pinning the pallu on the kurta so that it is secure and it doesn't fall off. So this is it. As complex as the style looks like, it is so easy to give the yesteryear's drape a unique look by just adding a kurta and an embroidered dupatta to give a double pallu style. If you find the video helpful, then do like the video, share it among your friends, and please do subscribe to my channel. Please guys, it will mean a lot to me. Oh yes, I did style the sari on myself. So I teamed it up with lots of bangles just in one hand, chand balis, left the hair untamed. Do let me know by commenting down below how I look in this style. I'll meet you in my next video. So until then, bye. Thanks for watching.